You ever make a crazy loop, vibe with it heavy, but then 20 minutes in, you're staring at the screen like, where do I go from here? This is how you finish more beats without killing the vibe. I'm breaking down how to finish beats first, even if you get stuck halfway through. It's a 4-part system, 5 real world tactics, and the mindset shift that helped me go from 1 beat a week to 5. Plus, I'll show you a beat I almost scrapped but finished anyway. You're not stuck because you suck or you're unmotivated. You're stuck because you're trying to do everything at once. Create, mix, arrange, perfect. Start with a dope loop, add 5 layers, it gets messy, then you start tweaking sounds, the vibe is gone, and the whole beat dies in bar 12. That's not a talent problem, that's a workflow problem. Here's how I stay in flow and finish 3x more beats. It's a 4-stage system I use every time. No perfection, just catch the idea and let it run. Record quick melodies, drop drums in, even if it's messy. Think of it like sketching. Don't wait until the beat's perfect. Lay out a rough song from early. Intro, hook, verse, hook, outro. That gives your creativity somewhere to go. Use contrast. Strip drums in the verse, bring back the energy in the hook. Keep ears interested with small changes. Don't fall into the mix trap too early. Add polish effects, EQ, transitions only after the beat is done. Here's how I keep the energy moving when I'm in the lab. If you've been tweaking one sound for more than 5 minutes, move on. You're not producing anymore. You're procrastinating. Go back to your old beats, sample your own chords, drums, and textures. You've got gems sitting in your hard drive. Have your favorite sounds and FX rack loaded up. Don't waste creative energy digging through folders. Drop a pro level track into your DAW. Match the energy and structure, not to copy, but to guide the vibe. Not every beat has to be perfect. Some of my ugliest ones landed me real opportunities because I finished them and sent them out. Here's what changed everything for me mentally. Think like an artist. Sketch the idea first, then refine it. You can pitch a half loop. One of the beats I finished in ugly mode afforded me an opportunity to work with an artist I never imagined working with. But that wouldn't have happened if I left it at 8 bars. Even your mid beats are building skill. Every finish builds momentum. Let me show you a beat I almost grabbed. Here's how it started. And here's how I structure it. This is the final bounce after I added transitions and arranged it. It's not perfect, but someone liked it. And if you want a shortcut, I built a beat block toolkit to keep producers in motion. Link in the description.